I'm Trisha Datta. I am from Kharagpur and I'm presently staying in Kolkata and I'm working as a PE teacher. I actually started swimming at an age of around 10 or 11 and I know like that's a pretty late age.
Okay, I thought it was pretty early, but okay.
Because that's the age when you start competing. But at that point, for me, I started then because I was very much inspired by one of my seniors in school. So I just wanted to get into water. That was the main goal at that point of time for me.
How difficult was it to manage your education, your academics, and so?
Actually, see, at the beginning, I didn't realize like what, how much time it would take, it would require for me to be a swimmer. But eventually, when I realized that I need to really balance because I can either way I cannot sacrifice both the things or one of the things.
Have you played in national level also?
Yeah, actually I started from a club competition.
Okay.
And then I went forward with district meets, then state level, then national. And fortunate enough, I have also bagged a lot of medals in those competitions.
That's very nice.
I started in a corporate firm, so where I work as a financial analyst. I know like that is very way different than what I am doing now.
Yes.
Then something happened and I switched my career.
So, what was the major reason for you to switch from your corporate work to swimming?
So for me, the thing is the passion about swimming or swimming as a profession was there since my childhood. In my unconscious mind, probably when I was a child, I used to get motivated by my coach. So it was there in my head that someday probably I can take his place. And when I joined the corporate firm, after 6 months I realized no, this is not my cup of tea.
Not your cup of tea. Okay.
Because the place where you don't like the work, you won't be able to sustain for a year as well. But still I managed to be there for 2 years, and then again I stopped everything that is associated with the corporate firm, this career, and then again I switched back. I resumed my studies in sports. I completed my bachelor's in physical education, and that was a course for 2 years. And in between that, I had a small tragic accident.
Okay.
And but still, I moved on with it. I completed it. I did various certifications like NIS.
Swimming or sports, especially in India, is not so demanding, not very well paid. So, were there any challenges for you in your, to convince your parents?
So the thing is, I didn't have to convince my parents.
Okay.
So basically, my parents were more motivated and inspired than me. And especially my father, I would say that he is the main reason.
That is I think very inspiring because though nowadays parents do kind of indulge their kids to do whatever they want to, but again choosing a career in sports I think is challenging, especially in India.
Yeah, it is challenging, but what I feel that primarily it matters from your family, because when your home is at peace, you can go anywhere. And I'm very fortunate enough that I'm married to a man right now, and he also supports me.
So any advice you would like to give to people who would want to take up sports or especially swimming as their career, what they can do to achieve it, since you have already done that here?
So I would say just listen to your heart. That's it. Whichever field you are keen on, you are interested to do, whatever your heart is right, just follow that, and everything will fall into place.